Hey friends, I interrupt these ideas forum updates to bring you a new feature that I think you're really gonna like. Check this out. So here, look at this really cool workflow I just made. It's a referral name workflow. When someone gets referred, it updates the referral. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. This was supposed to update referral name, not first name. And how many people did oh no. Oh no. All of these people's first names has been changed to surprise. That's not what I wanted. If only there was an undo button. Well, actually, check this out. This is so cool. It's something a lot of you have wanted for a long time. If I hop over to contacts, I can see this disaster of my contacts database. Everybody has the same first name. Surprise! Great, thank you. And I can come up here and I can come to restore property edits. And if I come here, I can prepare a restore and I can select a source type. Did you mess up with an import or did you mess up with a workflow? Choose the one that best describes you. And then this one was referral name. And I can select the property, it updated first name, and I can say this happened today. And there are some advanced filters if you want to go to an exact time range. But I'm going to prepare a restore, and this is just going to take a little bit. It's queued up. It's preparing a preview. Yeah, I'm going to show you in real time how long it takes, because it's not very long. I could pause the recording, but I want to be honest with you. It takes just a minute or two. You can fast forward. You can watch me on 2x speed. There it is. It's ready. So I can open this preview. And I can see 355 records were updated. I can see the value we're going to restore, and I can restore 355 changes. I'll just confirm that yes, that is a thing I want to do. Confirm, and wait for it. Here it comes. Restore in progress. Well, let's just hop over and see if it did it. Let's go to contact. Oh, success. 355 values were restored. Go to contacts. All those first names are now back. And if I come into this one here, look, this is an important thing to know. If I find a first name real quick, I can look at details and I can see it was changed by workflow and it was changed back by property restore. This is now in public beta. Opt yourself in. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any questions.